Is your Ring doorbell so loud that the neighbors next to you and across the street can hear it? Well, in this short video, I'll show you how to lower the chime volume so that people outside your home aren't bothered anytime someone comes over. In the Ring app, tap on the gear icon at the top of the thumbnail image. Then scroll down and tap on Device Settings. Now go into the General Settings, and then here tap on Volume Settings. By default, the doorbell sound is set to maximum volume. Simply adjust the volume slider to reduce the sound level whenever someone presses the doorbell button. And while I'm here, I can also adjust the volume of the speaker, but I'll leave it at 100% for now. With the changes I just made, you can hear the difference before and after. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.